their time.
All right, David Culver, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Let's talk about this now with CNN senior legal analyst Ellie Honig. Ellie, let's talk about this 2022 traffic stop report on Abrego Garcia, which is in this DHS report from 2022. You have prosecuted major human trafficking cases. What would make officials suspect human trafficking but not take any law enforcement action, not file charges?
Yeah, Jake, I just read the DHS press release, which is up on their website. This is not the smoking gun that they're trying to sell it as. I'm not seeing nearly enough information, evidence here to conclude that this individual was a human trafficker in the sense that that term is ordinarily used. And by the way, the timing is important here because by 2015, 2020, virtually every police officer had been trained up on human trafficking, what to do in this type of scenario. So what they should have done, it appears the police did do some of this, figure out who's in the car. Are there any minors? What are the relationships between the people? Are their stories consistent or inconsistent? Where are they going to? Where are they coming from? The most important point here is the police let them go. So either the police concluded there was not enough indicators of human trafficking or they didn't do their job properly. But either way, Jake, it is a huge leap to go from the facts we have to this man as a human trafficker.
When it comes to deportation, how much does it matter legally whether someone is a human trafficker or a gang member?
Yeah, so we need to keep this in proper legal perspective. On the one hand, a person who is here illegally can be deported even if they've done nothing wrong. If it's shown that they're here illegally and they don't qualify for some exception, they can be deported whether they're a gang member or not, whether they're a human trafficker or not. On the other hand, if the government is trying to impose some punishment, deportation or imprisonment based on a claim that somebody is a criminal or has this affiliation, there's due process involved here. You have to prove it in an immigration court, in a criminal court, whatever the case may be. You don't get to just insist it into a microphone and make it such. That's the whole point of due process here.
And also, Ellie, I read in the National Review an article by Andy McCarthy that the judge that ruled Abrego Garcia cannot be sent to El Salvador, which is not to say that he can't be deported, just that he can't be deported to El Salvador. Right. That happened during the first Trump administration, and the Trump Justice Department did not contest it. Is that legally relevant?
Yeah. That's exactly right. It's 2019, and so that has been the position of the administration dating back to the first Trump administration. Now, you can go into court always, immigration court or criminal court, and say some circumstance has changed and we want to change the determination here. We want your honor to reopen the case, reconsider. But none of that was done. Let's remember, he was deported first. The administration admitted it was in error. And now they're trying to backtrack and come up with this after the fact justification based on some police report from Tennessee that doesn't really tell us much of anything at all.
Ellie Honig, thanks so much. Meanwhile, in our money lead, the New York Times broke the story that there is a fresh power struggle